What if I told you that one hidden Gmail setting could help reduce annoying spam emails in less than 30 seconds? Those unwanted promotional emails can fill up your inbox every day. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple Gmail setting that can help you keep your inbox cleaner. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone. Tap the menu. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Now open Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select your Gmail account. If you have more than one Gmail account, tap the account you want to manage. Open Inbox Categories. Scroll down until you find Inbox Categories, then tap it. You see a category called Promotions. Turn it off if you don't want promotional emails to appear on your inbox. These are marketing emails, shopping websites, online stores, and other businesses. You also see a social category. If you don't want notifications and emails from social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and others, you can turn this off too. You are done, that is it. Your Gmail inbox should become cleaner, with fewer promotion and social email being sorted into those categories. Note, this settings doesn't stop companies from sending emails entirely. It merely changes how Gmail organizes these emails. If you want to stop receiving emails from a sender completely, you will need to unsubscribe from their emails or block that sender. And that's how you can make your Gmail inbox cleaner in less than 30 seconds. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more simple Android tips and tricks. Remember, never click suspicious link in emails from people you don't know. Staying careful is one of the best ways to keep your Gmail account and your phone safe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.